Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE. This section will discuss expired or changed laws and credits for 2012. The following credits expired on December 31st, 2011. The Section 40 Alcohol Fuel Credit, the Section 40A Biodiesel Fuel Credit, and the Section 6426 credit for alcohol fuel, biodiesel, alternative fuel, except for liquefied hydrogen, and alternative fuel mixtures, except for mixtures of liquefied hydrogen and a taxable fuel. Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.